Hello, witches and wizards. If you've been looking for something temporary to show what's eternal in your heart, you've come to the right place. Our tattoo set contains a total of 35 tattoos. They come in 4 different styles: Quidditch, dark arts, Harry Potter symbols, and Hogwarts houses. Choose the tattoos according to your mood, your outfit, and the occasion. Cut out the tattoos of your choice carefully. Don't be afraid to mix different styles. Result can be surprisingly good. Once you've got all the tattoos you want to apply, peel off the clear backing. Place the side with the ink on your skin. Apply clean water over your tattoo paper and press gently. Hold for 30 seconds and gently peel off the paper. The peeling off should be nice and easy. Alternatively, you can also press a damp cloth or sponge over the tattoo paper. Here's a kind reminder from the Ministry of Magic. Although a parasium is an alternative to reveal the tattoo, all underage witches and wizards are not allowed to use magic outside Hogwarts.